Namaste. My name is Rui Zimmer. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak, restore your brain with nature. Yes, simple. Unplug and go in nature. If we unplug from all digital devices and go in nature, we really can relax. We are actually disconnected from nature, from our friends, from our family, and from ourselves through our digital devices like cell phone, computer, TV. Do you agree? An average American spends 10 hours per day in front of a digital device and goes only 30 minutes out. Do you think that will work? And you see it with the kids everywhere. The digital devices forces us to multitasking. For instance, we are caring for people and at the same time we're doing Facebook. That will not work out. And I complain again and again. I said, you have the choice to be together with me or with your cell phone, but not with both, and do the same thing. Okay? So we are actually not good in multitasking. Only 2% of the population is good in multitasking. And now multitasking, everybody has to do at least 20% of the day. Multitasking generates stress. Multitasking is linked to dopamine and behavior addiction and human error, for 100% sure. Increase our heart pressure. Multitasking influences negatively our brain function so that the brain becomes fatigued. Yeah. You see, no? A next study was done with two groups going in the nature. One group with cell phone, the other without. Guess what happens? The group without cell phone could relax, and even after the walk, 20 minutes at least. And with cell phone, the people were continuously active with their brain and could not relax. And even remembered only 50% what they have seen. And you see it, this cell phone addiction is so terrible for you, for all the other people. What happens if we stay 3 continuously days without a cell phone, digital device in the nature? It's awesome. We can relax. The brain relaxes more and more and recognize much more of the nature. After 3 days, nature becomes normal. Yes, nature is normal. Afterwards, improved short-time memory, enhanced working memory, better problem solving, greater creativity, lower level of stress, higher positive feelings of well-being, improves our productivity, reduce our stress level, make us feel better. Okay, go out trekking now. And let your cell phone somewhere else, okay? Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.